Enjoy preparing the best home-cooked meals with this 90 by 60 high-quality cooker from Super General. It is made of stainless steel with a brushed inox finish, combined with black-colored glass panels for a modern and timeless design that perfectly matches every modern kitchen interior. The cooking range features a full safety device and 5 highly efficient burners ranging meters in diameter. This freestanding gas cooking range comes with sturdy and elegant cast iron grids to ensure longevity and durability. Ergonomic knobs and controls that are easy to use. The auto ignition feature provides convenience with safety when cooking. A turbofan distributes heat equally in the oven cavity. Double glass oven door provides heat-resistant surface, making it safe to touch, while the removable inner glass door of the oven cavity makes cleaning convenient. This semi-professional gas cooker has double oven burners, with a spacious cavity and a double rotisserie to ensure that the meat and poultry are cooked evenly. The active thermostat reads and regulates the temperature inside the oven, while the grill function allows you to sear or grill to perfection. The cooker includes a wired shelf, with an oven tray and grid that allows you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. This model can operate on LPG and natural gas. The splash protection glass serves as a lid for the burners when not in use and protects your wall and tiles from splashes when cooking with oil or preparing sauces. Technology, aesthetics, and simplicity has been integrated in this made-in-Turkey Super General model to bring joy of healthy, homemade meals for the whole family. Enjoy super taste with Super General.